Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by opening shortcuts and creating a new shortcut. Name it so you recognize its purpose. Add a trigger now, keyboard, menu bar, or quick action so you can run it fast. Next, pick the first action. Use the search field to find common steps like open app, get file, or URL. Once you add the first action, you build the sequence logically. This prevents messy branches later and gives you a working foundation to expand. You now assemble the middle of your workflow by chaining actions and controlling data flow. Use selected variables and the magic variable menu to pass results between steps. This is how outputs become inputs. Add if, repeat, and wait to handle conditional paths or batches, and use try/catch for error-prone actions. Make sure to run small segments as you add them so you see real outputs. This iterative testing prevents hidden logic errors and keeps your sequence predictable. Finish by polishing. Add user prompts, notifications, and error handling so the shortcut behaves reliably. Assign your final trigger and save a copy before broad use. Then run complete end-to-end tests with sample inputs. Confirm each action returns the expected type. If something fails, inspect intermediate outputs with quick look, verify shortcuts has required permissions in system settings, and ensure variable types match expected inputs. One tip: disable or isolate suspect actions to narrow the cause quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.